Hello guys, I am Sudipto and this is Coding Knowledge, and today I will go to show you a star pattern using nested for loop. So actually nested means if we use a statement or a loop like if else or for loop, while loop under this loop also means we will use a for loop under another for loop. Like if we write for here, and after that in the statement position of this for loop we will write another for loop. So this for loop will be called nested for loop. As well as we can use as nested if else, like in if condition we will write another if in the statement of the outer if condition. So what is the outer means, if we write here a for loop and in the statement of this for loop we will write another for loop, so outer for loop will be this one and the inner for loop will be this one, which we will go to write here. Now what we need nested for loop, like it is needed because when we are doing a two-dimensional work, like if we will work with 2D array, or basically majorly we want this nested concept for star pattern printing, so that's why we need actually nested for loop. Or if we want to do a statement under another condition but for a multiple time, for this particular condition we want to do a task for multiple times, then we also need nested for loop or nested loops. So here we are going to print a star pattern, which you have already seen in the thumbnail, a star pattern. So how we can print this star pattern in console? Now I am going to write here another for loop, which is inner for loop. So if we do this condition I less than 9, or yes, I less than I have done 10, yes. Now if I initialize here a j value, int j I declare, now in this for loop j will be the initialize statement, that is j equal to 0. And if j less than I means if I equal to 0 and j equal to 0, then 0 is equal to 0 means I will run this for loop to I value. For one I value the j value will run till this I value. So that's why I have written j less than equal to I, means if I value when will 3, then for particular 3 value the j will run 0 to 3 times, means 0 1 2 3, means 4 times. So particular for I 3 value of I, j will run for 4 times, means 0 1 2 3 times. Now the incrementation condition j plus plus, and now under this, as I will write here a single statement, so we don't need any second bracket, printf and the double space and then the star. It is the main star what we will go to print, semicolon. And now for this outer loop you can see that it is only one statement, and under this for statement I have written this, so there is the statement is only for loop, and here we are going to write the second statement of this outer loop, that printf a next line. Why this next line? Because after completing this for loop we have to print a next line. I draw this star pattern in the thumbnail, you can see that there is 1 star, and in the next line there is 2 star, and the third line there is 3 star. So that's why I have done the next line printf under the outer for loop. So now I delete this line, I have to print only the star pattern. Now if I compile this and if I run this, yes, now you can see that there is a star pattern of 10 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There is star pattern, this particular star pattern using the nested for loop. We can easily change the logic for different type of star pattern. I will show you how we can change the logic for different type of star pattern. I will upload short videos. If you want to learn, or if you want to see how different type of star pattern will do by some changes in this nested for loop or these logics, you can follow my channel, you can follow my shorts. I will upload the shorts very shortly. You can follow up my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.